guys, so welcome to my channel. This is Karina here from Mains by Black. If you're tuning in right now, you're probably interested. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Karina here. You are watching Mains by Black. So if you're tuned in, I'm assuming you're interested in understanding what's going on with this AliPearl hair. Is it worth it? And so on and so forth. So if that's what you're actually interested in, stay tuned and you'll have more details. Alright, so the fact that you stayed means that you're somewhat interested in the hair, so let me get right to it. I know everybody doesn't have time. You guys are trying to get through this real quick, so let me just get going. So I ordered 18-20-22. I lied. I ordered 16-18-20 with a 14-inch closure. This is in Body Wave and it came in natural black. So there's like some pros, some cons, just so you know. If I don't put in the title, this is my 2-week review. I'm just gonna be honest. For me, I don't really like 2-week reviews because like what the hell does that even actually say about the hair? It says nothing. Like some hair can be amazing for 2 weeks and right after that 2-week mark it's just fucked up. So anyways, I'm gonna give it to you regardless just because I have it. So again, this hair came in black. I colored it red. I didn't want it to be like fire crotch red, but I also didn't want it to be burgundy. So I was looking at that whole like color your hair without bleach, and I'm like, yes, that's what I'm gonna do. And then I went and I bought the wrong color. So I bought semi-permanent, googled it, realized you can't mix peroxide or developer with semi-permanent, so I had to bleach the hair. So the way I bleach it is like really quick because I don't like bleaching hair up front because it fucks up the hair regardless of how good your hair is. It fucks up the hair. But anyways, so literally I just went like this on the bundles, like wrapped, and then I washed it out. Like literally it was the fastest bleach. I just wanted it to lift a little bit and then I put the color on. So I think the bleach stayed on each bundle for 5 minutes. That's literally it. And then I washed it out and then I threw the color on top. So this is how you get this color, and I really like it. Like some of it's a little more red because the hair lifted a little bit more some places than others, but this is what the hair looks like. So after 2 weeks I can give my opinion right now. There's pros and there's cons to it. So pros about the hair is that it took the bleach well and it colored well, and I've colored hair before and it's a little bit more dry. This stayed soft. I don't know if it's only because I left it on for 5 minutes, maybe that's why. Didn't really have to do much to it to color it. It was great. It also bounced back with the curl after bleaching. So those are good things, right? It's longer than I thought because like a 20. I feel like this is like a 22. Like this is waved with like a wand, and it's here. See it? But it's like here. WTF. Usually hair that hits me here is like a 22 or a 24. So I feel like it's longer than they said, but I'm not mad at that because that's what I wanted. I just couldn't afford the 24. But anyways, so that's this. The cons about the wait, this, it doesn't shed, so like mine, sorry, I haven't brushed it, but nothing comes out. Actually, let me not go from behind because that's what to say. But yeah, like nothing comes out. I don't know if you can actually see it. Oh, I think I got one here, right? And this is for hair that I haven't brushed all day, so nothing really comes out. It's pretty good on the shedding so far. We'll see. Hair usually starts to after a month. Cons about the hair are the back, it mats, and I'm like, for hair that's not that it's expensive, but it's also not cheap. I think I've had hair for the same price. It doesn't mat in the back that fast. Usually it takes a while, and I'm gonna give it to them. Like it's winter. Canada's winters are brutal. It's like -40 wind chill, so I get it. And so we have to bundle up. We have scarves, we have mittens, we have knit, we have everything. But like I put on hair at the same time, and it doesn't mat as quickly as this hair. So that's what I don't like about the hair, and it really drives me insane because like I really hate matting. So that's the bad part about the hair. It's like it's not as bad right now. It's not that bad, I'm not gonna lie, but there are times where you take off the wig and you're like what's going on? It's like a nest. I'm like, 2 weeks, hair shouldn't be doing that. It should still be silky and like bouncy and blah blah blah, whatever. So I don't like that about the hair. It mats in the back, I'm gonna be completely honest. Other than that, it's pretty good. The closure is solid. I messed up because I put the freaking closure after I bleached it into the hair that I put in the microwave into the water, so the water turned red, made the lace red again. Like, that was dumb. Anyways, I'm gonna recolor it soon, but like right now I just have a cap on top underneath, so it's a little bit brown. I don't know if you can see it. The frontal came pre-plucked. Sorry, it's not really came down safely. It came somewhat pre-plucked. It wasn't like a perfect circle, so I like that about the hair. It holds a curl. It holds a curl. It doesn't hold a curl the best. I've seen hair that holds a curl better, but it does, like, I wouldn't say I wouldn't buy the hair because it doesn't hold a curl. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is the first or the second day I've curled it. Usually I wear the hair straight, like, just because I kind of like it straight. The closure is solid. Like, I've had some lace closures that are just really effed up and take forever to customize because they're so shit, or they tear. This one doesn't, but it hasn't. It's holding up really well, and like for the most part, I want to say I'd give the hair like a 7.5. I don't know, like a 7 maybe. I don't know, like the matting. I don't know. It depends on what you hate most about hair. If you really hate shedding, you'll like the hair. If you really hate matting, that's what I can't, like, I can't. So that's really quickly my recap of the hair. I'd rather come back at a 1 month, 3 month, 6 month review because I think those are more important than 2 weeks, because no one's trying to keep hair for 2 weeks. So why does it matter what it's like in 2 weeks? That's basically it. So let me know if you have any questions. If you want to know any more details about the hair, I'll drop the link in the bottom. I will put the link to the color in the bottom. I will do whatever else you want me to do, and that's basically it. So thank you for joining me today. Come back, subscribe, like, comment, do all that fun stuff, and I'll be back with another one. Thanks. Bye.